to the how to start a battery with a cup of water, developing a product for OnTheShelf.com. I'm making a new video because I received a message that my video didn't qualify because it didn't have a product. What I would like to propose is creating a suite of products. There will be different ones that have to do a market survey to see which ones people would be most willing to store in a kit. The batteries have two clips on top, one for each of the 6 cells that pop off. I use a screwdriver, which I would like to design a smaller plastic version of a screwdriver with a wider tip, so it's easier to pry them up and hammer them back down so they snap back in place. The one problem I've had, the last woman's car I started, it was I think it was a brain surgeon actually before that, is some type of apron, either a paper disposable one that you can wear to keep the little bit of splash from getting on your clothes, because it is acid, it won't hurt your skin, but it's strong enough to actually damage the clothes, as I'll show you in a minute. Or make one out of plastic, maybe like a plastic bag material, so it's inexpensive and disposable. And some of the batteries have just a little weep hole for if they get hot on the sides for the overflow, so they don't explode to come out the side. And we could develop some kind of bottle for that, maybe with distilled water, because I said that's what you want to use optimally if you don't have, if you have it. Maybe a small bottle like this one with a specialized tip, similar to this one, to that's flat, to pump the water in, or pour it upside down until it's full. And I want to show you some damage. I guess my blue jeans were less expensive than a tow. I think they're somewhere between $60 and $120 is the ones I priced for an actual tow of the car. Plus you have the inconvenience of the weight. I think one guy told me he waited 4 hours for a tow truck. But the last woman's car I got started, it took me less than 2 minutes. But I wanted to show you the damage to my blue jeans. If you see the white spots, it's not showing up really well, but here damage. This is after the first time I washed them, just from a splash of the battery acid, and I didn't even know that I had gotten it on my clothes. I now wear these for just volunteering at the Humane Society, but it protects your clothes and get the car started. So there's as you can see by this video, there's several products. It would be 3 to 4 right there, even if it was just one. The distilled water, or a pry bar, or just the any of these, just a plastic or a paper apron to keep the water from getting on you. That's got a little bit of battery acid in it to get the car started. I think this is very much products people would be interested in. I did a market survey probably about a year ago that someone had come up with a device that was going to send you an email, would send you a text to your phone notification, and have a actual light to show you the level of charge in the battery that actually clipped on the top or clipped in the car, or both, and you could get all 4 of these. And the prices that they were surveying was anywhere from $60 to $220, and I think this, we could easily make this kit extremely profitable for under 10. And plus it takes out the convenience, the hassle of having to wait, and it's right there readily available, and this solves a problem that most people aren't aware of for a fraction of the cost. Thank you.